Yo, what is up, everybody? This is Solo and Solo ETV. I want to first thank everybody for subscribing to my YouTube channel. We reached 100K finally. Got the plaque right here. Also, additional to that, I moved into a brand new crib, brand spanking new crib. So I got a new crib. I'll probably show you guys another video of that. I don't know yet. I really don't. But stay tuned for that. And if you haven't already, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Also, I'm going to be showing you guys a strategy video of basically how I made, I think we did about $10,000 this week. So I'm going to be showing you guys and breaking down that, which I'm excited for. Needs a lot of new stuff, so yeah, stay tuned for that. And other than that, let's go ahead and jump into the video. All right, so like I said, y'all, I just moved into a new crib, so the background looks a little different. It looks a little messy back there because of the simple fact I'm still setting up another desk back there where I got this desk up here. So let's go ahead and talk about why I got into this oil trade and then talk about the strategy I use for this oil trade. So right now, as you guys see on the account, we basically did on the 22nd, basically almost 10 grand, and I'm gonna just kind of break down this strategy a bit. Currently I am in a trade. As you guys see, I'm actually currently in some US 30 trades. I'm holding this trade out for the week. I'm just trying to see where it goes. So yes, right now we are negative, so let's see how that goes. But as far as right now, we're going to talk about oil. I've been doing really good with oil, so glad to be back on board with that. So essentially with oil, there's kind of two ways that I look at this. One of the ways that I look at oil is, first, I pay attention to the overall trend. So basically, if we were to say that this was the actual trend here, right, essentially what I like to do is kind of figure out the structural trend lines, I guess we can say. And then within that, I basically wait to see when market decides to, or when it wants to break out. One, I use my Fibonacci a lot for basically confluence. So if we say, let's say for example, I drew my fibs from this high to this low, and I noticed that it tapped perfectly in my red zone levels. Essentially, I prefer to see the market obviously bounce and react off of that. It does not necessarily mean it will be a reversal, but I do know it will be a potential new low, which could be possibly another setup to go down. However, within that structure, right, so if we were to, let's say, scale down further, for those that is unaware of how I trade, I use Elliott wave a lot without even mentioning that I'm using Elliott wave. But inside of this trend, there's essentially 5 waves. So we got wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I actually drew 6. So let's go ahead and do that again. So we got wave 1, wave 2 is a pullback, wave 3 is usually the longest wave, wave 4, and then we got wave 5. So essentially, when wave 5 had basically met there, I usually look at this line for a sense of break of structure. So if I notice that market decided to break through that structure, my thought process is now, all right, all I need is that pullback, because also I use whack off as well. So this basically means the spring. So this is what we call the spring. So the spring is the last move before it actually bounce up, known as reaccumulation. You also got distribution as well, but accumulation is when it's accumulating price, so it's basically about to get ready to go up. So essentially, we are looking for that move to happen as it did, and then this is what we call our test right here. So notice that, I noticed that market broke structure. It created the 5-wave cycle. We are trending down. We had hit the fib point, which identified that this was that last point of the last, I guess, potential new low. So then now we wait on market to shoot up. And then within that, that is pretty much what got me to take this oil trade. Another reason why I love oil a lot, and the reason why I was using it a lot in my live stream, was simply because oil, you can never take an L. I mean, is when it comes to structure, would you like to improve your trading skills, your trading abilities, be able to get payouts through your prop firm, be able to grow small accounts, as I have done in numerous videos on my YouTube channel? We even took a $4,000 account all the way up to $50,000, all via live YouTube streaming. Additional to that, I also did a beautiful flip from $1,000 all the way up to $40,000. Well, if you are any of these type of traders and you're looking to become a successful trader, rather, like I said, consistency or paying yourself out or even growing your small account, this is the boot camp and this is the camp for you. One of the things we're going to do is a 30-minute one-on-one coaching class once per month. What this basically means is if you're struggling for that month, or if you want to refine, or if you want to revamp, or whatever it is, myself and my team will be getting on a one-on-one coaching call with you to help you out with whatever it is that you're struggling with. The second thing is we're also going to be including our actual boot camp once per week via Zoom call, all within our master classes. So what that basically means is if you were a part of our boot camp previously, we are also doing this every single week. Additional to that, you do get access to our AI trading bot, which is basically our automated bot that helps you find the right trades, whether if you're looking to trade Forex pairs, futures, or even indices. On top of that, you do get access to our bi-weekly Q&A sessions we actually started doing in our VIP room as well. 24/7 support is a thing as well. And then you do get access to our training videos that we have, as well as our ebooks and PDFs that we exclusively put out. Now, one other big important thing that I do want to announce is that we are now going to be offering a trading view indicator that you'll also get access to every single month. So as long as you're active, you get access to all of these things down here that I mentioned. And also on top of that, you do get access to this indicator as well. So if you are ready to sign up, make sure you go ahead and sign up down below, and I'll see you guys inside. Your boy Solo. Peace. It is very, very, very user friendly, I guess is the word I can say. But ultimately, the overall thing is that it works very well when it comes to Elliott wave, supply, demand, key levels, whack off, and all of that. So as you guys see, pretty much this is what happened here. So you see market basically had created that low, created the 5-wave cycle, and then within that, if I was to draw my fibs from the most recent high to the most recent low, I'm gonna draw from 2 areas. But if we started from here to here, you guys will see one, boom, and then shot down, and it had hit my red zone level, which identified that. And then also within that, we basically broke out this high. I actually took this on a 5-minute time frame, but I'm gonna just go on a 15-minute. But as you guys see, we basically broke out of this high. The moment we did, I created this supply level, and then within that, sorry, not supply, but demand. But within that, we basically created this demand level, and then it pulled right back to this area. And I was like, boom, let's go ahead and take this trade. And that's what basically led me to making that money. Now, if you guys ever feel like you need to trade every day, I don't trade every day, because I feel like when you trade every single day, you tend to get in stuff that doesn't exist, and you tend to do a lot of other trades that you shouldn't be doing. So just really think about what you're doing, and really focus on what's important, which is really following your plan. So other than that, guys, if you guys haven't followed me yet on Instagram, make sure you do so. You stay up to date with what's going on with me in general. Kind of do a lot of vlogging now on my stories on Instagram, so I definitely do highly recommend you guys follow me on there. Other than that, I will see you guys in my next video. I'm out. Peace.